My name is Martisa Cooper. I'm an admissions counselor and recruiter at Butler of Andover. We are here today for Builder Bash. The coolest thing I think is the exposure these students will get to Butler and construction related fields that hopefully they'll take with them as they get older and get into high school and start considering what kind of field do I want to go into, and hopefully they'll remember this Builder Bash and then come back to that.
I'm Cody Kretschmar. I'm here with Raisin Lowry Electric. This event has been really fun. It's good to see all these students out here kind of getting hands-on experience with all these different trades and everything like that. So it's really cool. I like to see where the future generation goes.
My favorite part of the day was eating pizza and going in the semi-truck.
My name's Lily, and my favorite part of the day was getting to make this collage.
My name's Amaya, and I think my favorite part was making the collage too.
I think my favorite part of the day was drilling holes in planks.
My name's Levi. My favorite part was building and putting together the concrete slabs.
My favorite thing today was probably we were using the sandpapers to sandpaper the wood.
My name is Douglas Bates, and I'm currently an employee at Butler Construction.
My name is Ryan Strimmel. I'm also a full-time employee at Butler Construction.
Today we are in Andover at the Butler campus at the concrete class that we're attending on our company's behalf, and they sent us here to further our education in the concrete world. Today we are actually pouring two 20 by 10 slabs outside.
I know if I was in middle school, it would be really cool to come out and see guys in the trade doing this, and something that they do a lot. And as a kid, kind of learning the basics of it and kind of putting it into practice, I think it'd be a really good idea to continue to do this for different schools and different kids.